Want to build a website in minutes without coding or hiring a developer? These AI tools will design, write, and launch your entire site, 100% automated. First up, Durable. Just answer 2 questions, and Durable builds you a full website with images, text, and layout in under 30 seconds. You can customize it and even get a free domain for 90 days. Next, 10Web is great for WordPress lovers. It uses AI to generate a full WordPress site based on your industry and style. You can edit everything visually, no code needed. Want a more modern, portfolio-style site? Framer AI builds beautiful, responsive websites with just a written prompt. Type what you want, and it turns that into a working design in real time. Mixo is ideal for landing pages or startups. Enter a business idea and it creates a sleek one-page site with headlines, call to action, and email capture, all AI-powered. Bonus, use layer picks to turn static images into animated visuals for your site background. It's a free tool that adds movement and depth, without slowing down your site. Building a website doesn't have to be hard. These AI tools give you everything: name, content, layout, and visuals, without writing a single line of code. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for more weekly AI tools and no-code automation tips.